Are you looking for a unique and special property? Here at the Chapel House and Cabin at Stonehaven, just north of Stirling, we have your wish list wrapped up in one awesome gift box. Situated on 4 acres on their own separate parcels with their own private drives, yet joined together by a meandering path and driveway through the woods. These 2 historic buildings were dismantled and rebuilt on ICF foundations with in-floor heating in the lower level and renovated into some of the most charming spaces we're guessing you've ever seen. Come, take a tour with us.
This is the cabin. This is the Chapel House. Here there's a bonus 1,300 square foot insulated workshop, perfect for your home business or hobbies. There are 2 triple drive sheds, a sugar shack, and a screen room overlooking the peaceful pond. With trails through the Trillium woods, and the list goes on, you'll have to come take a look at this property yourself.